It's going to be a salami egg and cheese on a bagel. This salami is one of the Bronx favorite sandwich. Actually, pastrami and salami are one of the top best sellers. And today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious salami egg and cheese on a toasted bagel. If you're ready to watch this, make sure have a cup of coffee and watch this guy doing your sandwich. Because always it's a good thing to learn something new, and I'm here to teach you everything that we can possibly share. Alright, this is for my subscribers, and I'm sorry about it, I haven't posted anything because I was busy with these things, with the job and the vacation and everything. But now I'm back, and thank you for watching me. We're going to use a bagel. We're going to use this kind of bagel. It's called Everything Bagel. Everything Bagel is one of my favorites because it comes with a lot of cheese, different kind of cheese. It tastes so delicious, especially when you toast it with butter. Oh my goodness. That by itself, it's really good. This is the salami, so we're going to cut some slice. I have this philosophy that anything you do, you have to enjoy it, and no matter what, make sure you enjoy it, because every single minute that goes is very important, and if you don't enjoy it, you're wasting your life and also your time. Let's say 30 seconds. Yes, we go. When the meat turns brown like this one, that means it's almost ready. And look at the eggs, are frothy and delicious. And I want to use this kind of cheese. Usually I use this cheese, sliced American cheese, but in this case, and if you can have it or you can get it, try to use this shredded cheese, which tastes much better. Put it right here. One last thing, on all my sandwiches I always tend to use chipotle sauce. I don't know why, but this sauce, I love it. I just love it, and I always put some chipotle sauce on all of my sandwiches. In this case, will not be the exception. So I use this from the Boar's Head company. This is how I do it. Look at this. So delicious. Now I'm going to cut it in half. I hope you enjoyed this sandwich, and I'm going to show you more sandwiches in the next video. Bye.
Y'all already know what it is, man. It's your boy, man. Y'all already know there's a new video coming. Y'all want to learn how to do all this right here. Y'all already know where to subscribe to. Victor USA, new video.